Time to pack up Cervia. This is a Saito, S-A-I-T-O, live steam kit with no steam engine. I can't believe I only got $499 gross on eBay for this, which means I get about $430 for it. I think that's about possibly less than the cost of the original kit. I bought this built on eBay. Don't remember what I paid for it, but $4.99 is just a terrible price. On the other hand, this thing gets dusty very quickly. Every time I move it, it gets a new nick, and it's been kind of stressful to have around. Whoever built it did a really great job. I've seen several of these for sale on eBay, and this is by far the best looking build that I've seen. Kermit is apparently seasick. Sorry, Kermit. Alright, gotta pack this baby up now.